The man with the plan, if you don't know. Hey, hey, I was down bad, now my pockets like a sumo. Brody in the can for the you know. Hey, hey, gotta get them bands so he's 30 when he come on, man. Way before the rapping, they ain't see me. Hey, hey, now they on my day because they watch me on the TV.
Yo, what's the word, YouTube? And we back with another reaction. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, you know what I'm saying? If you want me to react to anything, drop it in the comments. You know I ain't with all the talking, so let's get right into the video. Today we're reacting to Aaron The Plumber, Spit on Me. Yo, pause. Tragedy.
I don't talk while I'm recording. Turn the camera on.
Now he's a rapper.
Turn me up on my headphones, Badesky. That nigga spit on me. We can.
That's the shit that kill me. Everybody want to be a rapper. Everybody think they got what it takes. In this era, might fuck around and get one. But this ain't for everybody.
Get on me.
Hey, yo. That don't even sound right, my boy.
Drop the pen. We go spit on me. Big blickies.
And this is the same dude. I don't know what show it was on, but I know it's one of them reality TV shows. He got his whole shit split. Now you talking all the blickies and all that other stuff. Okay. But it makes sense. You can't fight, so it's understandable.
Bounce the low. We gon' get on. That nigga spit on me. Line up the fade. We gon' get on it. We keep big blickies. Bounce.
And then you show the video of a nigga actually spitting on you. That's sad. Sad case, sad.
Off the low with a pole. I'm trying to get jiggy. I'm trying to get jiggy. That nigga spit on me. Line of the fade. We gon' get on me. We keep big blickies. Bounce out the low with a.
Look. It look like his eye is still fucked up from when he got his shit split. Now you talking about blickies and all that other shit. Tragedy.
I'm trying to get jiggy. I'm trying to get jiggy. Whack 100, keep it 100. Line it up. Get active for Stockton. Sign me up. I'm fuck with Zeus. They be doing grimy stuff. Ray J a bitch. She gon' pay for the pussy. The touch.
I already see what this is about. This is a clout chasing record. Little do you know, nigga, Ray J be with them, you know what I'm saying? He be with them niggas. All it takes is to send them niggas. I know personally, Ray J be with some niggas. So, alright, be careful what you speak.
Suck a dick when nobody looking.
Damn. You inviting niggas to the Frank stand after you done got spit on and your eye split? Tragedy. This is all for clout, you heard? All for clout.
Welcome to Hell's Kitchen, all living niggas cooking. MSI's plumber need a reducer and a bushing. Got shooters in the bushes, see a pussy in the dishing. So
I don't know what the hell he just said, but I heard something about children in the bushes, my boy. You need to just stick to being a reality TV star. Then, how you mess up with Erica Mena, bro? But it's understandable. You can't handle her. She from the Bronx. All she got to do is curse you out a certain way and you done for. But back to the video.
off as a cushion, don't spit when I walk away. Say get choked today. I'm with Haiti, baby, in a brand new Mercedes. Niggas sending death threats and shit make me angry. Free J.
Can't make you as angry as the dude that split your eye in the video where somebody just spit on you. But again, that's understandable. Reality TV, it's a hell of a drug.
Trying to give a nigga a halo. If he ain't for the fade, then I'm feeling like a K-blow. No sitting on the.
It look like he's one of them niggas that got the Napoleon complex. For those of you who don't know what a Napoleon complex is, when these little niggas who are 5'9", 5'8", and under, they feel like everybody's testing them because they so little. These are the same niggas that can't reach the top of the cabinets. You know what I'm saying? That need step stools and ladders and shit. But back to the video. And see, I'm sorry for keep pausing the video, but this nigga think because he got muscles, like he can't be deflated. Okay, all that muscle shit don't mean nothing. You better be quick with them hands, and from the looks of it, you ain't quick with them hands. That's why you got your shit split.
I'm from 209, ain't finna fuck. If you ain't finna pay, ho, I'm some real pimpin'. Yeah, I'm Muslim, but I gotta stand on gangsta.
That right there just solidified it for me. And now you're Muslim too. I heard you.
God is my witness, they some devils, demon hunting. Finna go fishing, finna pop a clip in, finna get you tripping. Shot a loose cannon, I'm a loose cannon, but I'm not crippin',
But you throwing up crypto. And I don't know if y'all know, but Loose Cannon just got bitched by the big homie CC. And Dugga. They was on that Kool-Aid.
I'm not crippin', but I'm for 209, but I'm not crippin', but I'm still trippin'. I shot a loose.
If you're not crippin', what you throwing up the C for? Stop it. This is a straight clout chasing record, bro. Tragedy.
Cannon, but I'm not crippin', but I'm still trippin', but I'm not crippin'. Nigga spit on me, line up the fade, we gon' get on it.
And then you let him get away with spitting on you. Once the nigga threw the spit, if you don't know, that's technically an assault, which means you have the right to defend yourself. So therefore, once he spit on you, you should have just stole on the nigga. But too much talking. Those who know. Only females talk, you heard? Either you're going to get it cracking or, you know what I'm saying, you're going to shut up and be a bitch.
We keep big blicky, bounce out the low with a ball. I'm trying to get jiggy, The nigga spit on me, line of the fade, we gon' get on him. We keep big blicky, bounce out the low with a ball. I'm trying to get jiggy, I'm trying to get jiggy. I'm trying to get busy. Line of the fade, we gon' get jiggy, we gon' get jiggy. They're homies, nigga. Yeah, I'm shit. Yeah, niggas got that for the moment, dog. I don't talk while I'm.
And this is a straight clout chasing record, but that was the reaction to Aaron The Plumber, Spit on Me. Yo, pause. On to the next, you heard.